So today I'm going to show you how to do the cross puzzle. So first, there's a piece you can push down like that, and then you put that piece out, and then you arrange them like this. They may look the same, but are actually different. So you grab this piece, and then you grab this piece, and then you put it here. And be sure for it to not fall down, because if it goes like this, it goes like that. And we don't want that. So we're going like this. And then you grab this piece, and then you turn the puzzle sideways, and then you put it like this, and then you insert it in, and then you go like that. And then you push up. And there you have it, the cross. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below if the tutorial was good or not.